Man, what's good? It's your boy JTV back on the camera, you hear me? Now listen, today it's gonna be an after school bake session. Do you hear me? Like, you feel me? Today it's gonna be an after school bake session, you feel me? Y'all might not be getting it. Y'all might be getting this video around about like, no cap, about like about like $6.50. No, I said about like $6.30. Make sense. Fuck all that shit. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all go like my recent video, my other two videos, you feel me? Go follow me on Instagram, family.j1k. Go subscribe to my other YouTube channel, dtw.j1k, you feel me? Go ahead, roll me up on the motherfucking money, you feel me? But anyway, though, you hear me? I ain't finna have this video too much long, I ain't even gonna lie. This video really gonna probably be about like, damn, 5 minutes, about 5 to 10 minutes type shit, you feel me? But I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna get straight to the video. I ain't finna have y'all like wait too much long though, you but you finna go ahead and get right to this shit though. Like, why not just get straight to the video, JTV guy, you feel me? Like, you don't get this shit, JTV. You might do like I'm already high fam. And listen. But listen, man. A nigga here, cause I ain't gonna lie, a nigga already here high fam. Got the shades on, nigga, double O, nigga, stop playing me, cause you know I fucked your hoe, nigga. I ain't even playing, get the ball and got it though. Nigga, stop playing me, and nigga, know we running out the door, yeah. Yo, we turned up, JTV gang, no cap, we turned it up, nigga, 2023, nigga, this all your nigga, we stand up, nigga, full time, right, nigga. Ain't gonna lie, this shit done me here for, I'll be doing some dumb ass shit, fam. I ain't gonna lie, fam. I got 2 of them hoes, though. No cap. Gonna get straight to this shit, though, fool. No doubt. And go shout the people out that I said, that I shouted out in my last video. My bad, JTV gang, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? I thought the nigga was outside, you hear me? So, you know, I'm by myself right now, so you know what I'm saying? I thought the nigga pulled up to the crib. But like I said, though, I'm gonna run me up on all this shit, though. It's in the link in the description, so y'all send it, you feel me? I really just have to tell y'all this shit every time. I really just say go to the link in the description. Cause it's in there. You gotta go look. Hear me? But no cap though, JTV got. We turning up all 2023, fam. No cap. Stamp. Y'all too, it's only right. What else we gonna do? BJTV ain't time to shine. We gonna be successful on each other. All you haters, fuck out my comment, bitch. If it's on me. Ain't tolerate no disrespect, man. Ain't no care, I'm finna play a little song for y'all, man. Pants on the glow, get it set like a Rubio, get rich for this. My speaker did, so I can't even record, I can't even play the music out there, cause my speaker did, man. I'm on the block with 100 on hip. I play with this biggie to shake 'em. You just gave my niggas gon' gun down 762 cause they boy like some bacon. He says this young nigga know he can't get away. I want to who since I saw the industry. Look in their face, I can tell that boy been at a Mexican bitch trying to find me up. Please don't blizz them niggas ain't come away. Young fly niggas in the trap getting plain play. No cap, get crazy, so you feel a little Drake son. Hit the game the way the butters and Jason man. Give Chris the foot just to go to the studio. Nigga, you been hoe, you gotta try what the fuck you ain't spinning for. Little finger slamming, fuck all the up. They just be beating on your motherfucking block. I was in school with it. 762, we don't told no. High speed check, get away from it. Big booty bitch on me, hit her regardless. I started rapping and made me a target. My bad, JTV gang, cuz. I just want y'all to hear that one little song. Next vlog, bro, I'm gonna let y'all hear like half of my playlist, you feel me? So, you feel me? This is the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all enjoyed the motherfucking, you feel me, after school bake session, you feel me? I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, you feel me? Little smoke session, always. You feel me? Go run my other two videos up. Run this video up. You feel me? Give me the 10 likes on that motherfucking mind. Don't give me the like 20 subscribers, you feel me? Something like, you feel me? Come on now. But you feel me? It's the end of the vlog, JTV gang. Go follow me on my Instagram, famous.j1k. Go subscribe to my other YouTube channel, dtw.j1k. Yeah, go run me up on that motherfucker, man. You feel me? I'm gonna be posting on that channel real soon, bro. Some gaming shit, bro. I'm gonna be posting on that hoe real soon. No cap, JTV, man. I'm telling y'all that. But this the end of the video, man. I'm gonna get up with y'all at gang.